Welcome back to Game Clash.
Cool.
I bet you're wondering why you guys aren't playing Smash Bros.
I'll tell ya. We're gonna do 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do
Punch Time Explosion XL. Can you tell we're excited?
And it's not 3 a.m. The clock just doesn't work.
Yeah.
This game sucks.
What are you talking about? This is the greatest game of all time. This is like the best game.
It's, yeah, got awards and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
it's a great time.
this is pretty much just a Super Smash Brothers ripoff. And Aidan tells me he doesn't want to do the story mode.
Yeah, because it's shit. I don't want to see Chowder's fucking stupid face everywhere.
Yeah, but if we want to get all the,
Suck my dick.
if we want to get all the characters, we need to play it. But we'll play it off camera.
Yep.
If you guys want to see us do the story mode, leave a like and comment down.
Leave a like and comment down below.
Leave a comment down below saying, Aidan, shut the fuck up. We want to see the story mode.
Okay. Explosion.
Press any button. Let's go. Sorry, made it.
Murfnig.
Murfnig. Alright. Let's go battle mode.
By the way, I don't know if you saw, but like, there's a new Overwatch animated short.
Is there?
Yeah, and guess who it's of?
Who?
May.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. You know, the babe.
Oh, yeah.
Like, jeez, May is fantastic. Guys, Aidan Ben. Yeah, it's really cool. Like,
Yeah, we'll check
animated
it out.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
So this game is utter shit.
Yeah. Ryan Tennyson versus Dexter. Remember when we played with Michael and Robert? It was like, versus, versus, versus. He's like, shut the fuck up.
So this is literally the entire game. Just Aidan spamming.
That's accurate.
And me just
Trying to hit me, but it's not working. Stop beating up a kid that's like twice your size for some reason. You like that shit?
get back
I can do
here.
this all day.
So can I.
Alright.
Nailed it. Alright. So Aidan,
Yeah.
you're gonna see your lady friend, aren't you?
Sure, yeah. Tonight. It's great. It's a great time.
Would she rather us not talk about her?
Well, yeah, let's just talk about something else. That's
Okay.
fine. That's fine, though. It'll be super fun.
Yeah.
The fair is a great time.
This is the last day of the fair, but
Yeah, I'll probably go on all the scary rides and piss my pants and eat expensive ass food. And
but you guys are going without me.
sorry, unless you want to come.
Well,
'Cause, like-
fine.
Cause like if you don't go, then like we don't have a ride back. Cause my mom needs the car.
Yeah.
Humongous dick.
Yeah. But I'll be fine. Plus, I gotta watch Future Josh editing the video that's coming out today, and plus I need to work on all my stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway,
My mom just asked me if I wanted to walk home. It's like, no. Maybe, Josh, maybe you should just come with us. That'd be easier. So then your
Okay.
parents can pick up. And, like, I don't want to force Jasmine's parents to do anything.
okay.
Because, like,
Yeah, that'll work.
Sorry, I'm looking at my phone and playing.
Well, aren't you super special?
Yep.
So, unlike Super Smash Brothers, there isn't a timer. It's all stock.
Yep.
So, and we haven't killed each other, so you're just gonna be watching Ben punching the shit out of Dexter.
A little kid.
Yeah.
I just like braced for it. How could you abandon me?
This is the final smash. He looks terrifying.
I know.
If I were to say anything
scary.
about Jasmine,
Oh fuck, I forgot.
if I were to say anything about Jasmine,
Bleep her name out. With Humongousaur noise.
or
Like,
replace her
really
name with like Kathy or something.
Okay.
Like just use what I said, Kathy, to replace her. To replace
Just
her name
bleep it.
unless.
Just bleep it with duck noises or Humongousaur.
Was I walking? I was walking beneath the platform here.
What?
This game is glitchy as hell. I mean, look at this.
Game.
Look at this. Wait, can't Dexter? No,
Yeah,
that
I
was
can do
Aku.
it. I can do it.
No, that was Aku. We were thinking of. Sir,
excuse me. Get the fuck out of my way.
But so yeah, if I were to say any, what the hell? I was
just
underneath the ground.
This
God.
game.
If I were to,
It's so good.
if I were to say anything about Jasmine,
Yeah.
is that
Bleep out with ducks. something.
she's pretty cool.
Yeah, she's rad.
Even though I haven't seen
Rad
as
as
much of
fuck.
her as you do,
Yeah.
but she
Dance
seems
all
cool.
night, dude.
Well, I'm
Do this-
trying to
I could do
dodge you
this all
because you
day.
got your smash ready.
He's like, oh fuck. Hopefully I kill you.
Am I dead?
Yep.
Ha! Funny.
Oh, I forgot about. Wait. Turn up the volume on this noise, future Josh.
He's in pain. Aidan?
Yeah. Oh, you can do Big Chill. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I could do Big Chill.
Big Chill's fucking rad. In like, I forgot Big Chill did that in the show, but like, there's this game that my brothers play with like Alien Force Ben, and Big Chill runs around with his wings as his like hood.
Yeah, he
And
does that in the
it's
show.
so rad. Yeah. Forgot he does that.
I think I
That
had
was
that.
a good show.
Oh yeah, until they made it bad.
I know, with like, well, there's like another Omnitrix thing and like fucking Ultimate Aliens, and there's actually not 10 aliens. There's like,
Well, there was never 10 aliens to begin with,
right.
because even in the original series, it was like 15.
Mm-hmm.
But who am I to
But you know what I mean.
geek out about? Yeah. Fuck my phone. Jesus Christ, my phone.
Stop.
Can you see why this game is amazing? This may be a one-off,
Yeah, probably.
because I'm not sure if this is worthy of a series.
No, let's just do this one. I'm already sick of it.
Yeah. Alright, this is gonna be the first one-off.
Yep. First one.
And if you guys want to see more, then comment down below.
Oh shit, you gotta do the thing.
Yeah. It's hero
Not gonna hit
time.
me at all. Satan Ben. Put in like a really adorable animal sound when he's doing his fuck. When he's doing his like transformation thing. Like a kitten.
Or like Godzilla, I don't care.
Or like
You get the point.
ducks.
Yeah. What's with you and ducks?
I don't know, ducks are cool. I think you could be able to pick on someone your own size. He's like goes into temper tantrum mode.
I don't want to go to school.
Yeah, I don't want to go to space.
Even though space is cool.
Space is fucking cool. Put in a small clip from Markiplier's Space is Cool, future Josh.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh,
that was awesome.
So cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
That was cool to watch. Thanks.
Yeah, that's amazing. Jesus Christ, how Asian. Yay, I won.
Yay.
We're gonna cut it here because I don't want face anymore.
Zoom in on Dexter's smug ass face. Science.
I wanna die.
Yep. Next time on Game Quest, we'll not do this.
Bye.
See ya.